Hi there. An effective mobile marketing approach includes more than just optimizing your website to work well on mobile devices. More and more businesses are also investing in mobile apps to engage with customers on the go. But what purposes do mobile apps serve? And how do you know if creating one can benefit your business? We'll discuss what makes a mobile app different from a mobile website, the benefits of mobile apps, and how to determine whether a mobile app is right for you. Your mobile website is pretty much a simpler version of your main site. Mobile-friendly sites offer most of the same things as your main site, but are just built to work well on smaller screens. Visitors access a mobile site on a mobile web browser, just as they would on a full-size computer browser. Mobile apps, on the other hand, are applications that can be downloaded and installed onto a mobile. The apps typically provide a specific function that's not as easily accomplished on a web browser. They are often integrated with common smartphone features, like the camera or GPS. There are so many ways that apps can directly benefit your business. Let's look at some examples. Okay, imagine you own an independent movie theater, and you've decided to create an app to help drive ticket sales. One of the main benefits of apps is that they can send messages to a person's mobile, even when they're not using the app. These are called push notifications. You could use them to send your customers reminders when the latest films are released, or announce special discounted showtimes. Your app could also power a new loyalty program. Your customers could use the app to earn points for every movie they see in your theater, and for popcorn purchased at the concession stand. Simplified checkout on your app could allow customers to purchase movie tickets in just a few clicks. And then, your app can use their mobile's GPS to share directions to the theater. With so many possibilities for your business, you may decide to develop your own app. So, how do you start? It helps to think about your business goals, and what you would like visitors to accomplish on a mobile. Perhaps you can achieve all these things on your mobile website. But, you might identify a specific business goal that would be better served by an app. This might be your next step towards online success. So let's sum up. A mobile app can complement your mobile website, helping your customers accomplish specific, useful goals. An app for your business can help increase customer loyalty. You can actively communicate with customers and help them make purchases easily on their mobile devices. Can't wait to get started? Well, you've got a couple of options. You can find a professional app developer to work with. Or, check out one of the self-service tools out there, such as AppyPie, Buildfire, or Como. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.